Background of the development of the purple laser level. About 8% of the world's population suffers from red and green color blindness, which means that there may be millions of construction workers, carpenters, installers, and DIY enthusiasts who have great visual impairments when using traditional laser levels. We develop more inclusive laser products, trying to introduce blue light, purple light, or multicolor tunable laser technology, and finally develop this purple laser level. This is not only a technological breakthrough, but also a company's persistence in seeing everyone. This purple laser level is Huepar's 100% dedication to meet the needs of 1% of users. How to use Huepar Laser Level D011CP. Part 1. Product Overview. Laser Window. 3-in-1 button, brightness and strobe mode and pulse mode. Power indicator. Pulse mode indicator. 3-in-1 button, off, manual mode, self-leveling mode. Type-C charging port. 1/4 20T threaded mount. Part 2, Function. This laser level features a 360 degrees horizontal line and a 130 degrees vertical line. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. Slide the switch to the middle position, locking side. Manual mode. Adjust the laser line at free angle. In manual mode, the laser line will flash every 5 seconds to remind you that the level is not self-leveling, the laser line is not horizontal or vertical. The switch to the on side. Self-leveling mode. Laser leveler automatically level within 4 degrees. When the angle in any direction is greater than 4 degrees, the laser line will keep flashing to remind you that the laser line is currently not in a horizontal state. Leveling time less than or equal to 3s. Adjustable brightness. 3-level brightness. Turn it on, the default setting is the brightest laser, 100%. Short press once, the brightness is the second level, 70%. Short press a second time, the brightness is the lowest, 50%. Strobe mode. A third short press it and the laser line will keep flashing. Long press the button. The blue light illuminates. Enters pulse mode. Note, 5RG cannot be used, but 6RG and 8RG can be paired. The pulse signal frequency must be 10 kHz, and the duty cycle must be 5:5 to match. The pulse mode can be turned on in both manual and self-leveling modes. In pulse mode, the laser flashing twice quickly, the pulse mode indicator light is on, and the laser brightness will dims. In normal mode, the working distance can up to 82 feet, 25 meters, in an environment of 6100 lux, and in pulse mode, the working range is up to 165 feet, 50 meters, which can works well in outdoor daytime. Part 3. Included accessories and usage. Purple laser level. 360-degree magnetic pivoting base. USB-C cord. Canvas carry bag. Purple goggles. 360-degree magnetic pivoting base. 1/4 inch, 20 thread. Firmly fixed to an iron plane. Purple goggles. Enhancing the visibility of laser lines. Purple goggles reduce eye pressure. Helps filter out colors of light other than laser colors found in nature. It also has physical protection function to prevent dust or other foreign matter from entering the eyes. Type-C charging. It built-in 2200 mAh 3.7V Li-ion rechargeable battery. 3 hours of charging. 11 hours of power supply. It can be charged by charger power bank, laptop, etc. Huepar. Embracing your idea tool at an ideal cost.